Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. It's session number 5, the Seen and Suad series, and today we are going to take an exercise. We are going to do an exercise number 1, and in this exercise we will learn some of the words. Okay, so I just write the words for you, and then I'll pronounce all these and tell you how to pronounce them. And your homework and your assignment is to pronounce them in your free time. Okay, keep practicing of their pronunciation. Okay, so here are the words. Okay, and the first word, it has 3 alphabets: Seen, Alif and Te. Seen has a diacritical mark over it. It is called a zabar sign. Okay, and the whole word is called Saat. Okay, and after that it's another word. It has 3 alphabets: Sheen. The first one is Sheen with diacritical mark over it, which is called zabar sign. Okay, so Sheen, Alif and Noon. The whole word is called Shan. Then it has another word. Okay, and it has some of the alphabets, 3 alphabets. First one is Khe with zabar sign over it, and then it's Alif, it's connecting itself with Khe, and Sod, and the whole word is called Khas. Then the next word, it has Jim and Sin alphabet. Jim has a diacritical mark under it. It is called Zer sign, and the whole word is called Jis. Okay, next one is, it has Sheen, Alif and Khe, and Sheen has a diacritical mark over it. It is called a zabar sign, and its sound is like a sound. Okay, and the whole word is called Shah. Then the next word, it has 3 alphabets: Re with zabar sign, then it's Alif and Ze, and the word is called Raz. Then it's Sheen with zabar sign, then it's Re with zabar sign, then it's Alif and Be, and the whole word is called Sharab. Then it's Alif and Sin. Alif has a diacritical mark over it, which is called Pesh sign, and the word is called Us. Okay, because Pesh sign gives us U sound. Okay, so the word is called Us. Then it's another word. It has 4 alphabets: Sod, Alif, He and Be. Sod has a zabar sign over it, then He also has a zabar sign over it, and the whole word is called Sahab. Okay, the last one is, it has Zod and Dal. Zod with Zer sign under it. The diacritical mark which is coming under this alphabet is called Zer sign. Okay, and the whole word is called Zid. Okay, I pronounce all these for you again, and keep practicing them for the pronunciation in your free time. Okay, the first one is Saat, then Shan, Khas, Jis, Shah, Raz, Sharab, Us, Sahab, Zid. Okay, and that's it for today's session. Keep practicing your pronunciation. Okay, pronounce them aloud, and just keep it in mind, their shapes, how they look like. Okay, so till the next session, wish you all the best and take care. Oh, one more thing, sorry, wait, don't skip this video, just stay here. I want to ask from you a question, that are the letters of the Seen and Sought series connectors or non-connectors? Okay, you can tell me your answer in the comments. Okay, and I'll tell you the answer in the next session. Okay, till then, have a good day to all of you. Allah Hafiz.